In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Amazon 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with Affirm, choose a payment plan that fits your budget, and keep your payments on track with confidence. First, fill your cart, sign into your Amazon account, browse for what you need, and add the items you plan to purchase. Many physical products are eligible for Affirm, but availability can vary by category and seller. If something isn't eligible, Amazon won't show Affirm at checkout for that item. Make sure your shipping address and delivery method are set the way you want, since taxes and shipping affect your final total. When you're ready to check out, select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be prompted to enter a few pieces of information, so Affirm can provide a real-time decision. Keep your details accurate and consistent with your billing information. The decision typically arrives in seconds, and if you're approved, you'll see your purchase limit and the plans available for this order. Take a moment to read what's presented. This is where you'll understand the total cost before you commit. Next, choose how to pay. Affirm will show you clear options that outline the number of payments, the amount due each time, and any interest or cost for each plan. You'll see the total you'll pay over time, so you can compare and pick the approach that matches your budget and timeline. Select the payment schedule that works for you. Consider when your income arrives and choose due dates that feel comfortable. If you have the option to align payments with your payday or turn on autopay, that can make staying on track even easier. Review the terms carefully, confirm the plan you want, and complete your purchase. Your order will process just like any other Amazon checkout. Now make simple, easy payments. Each installment will follow the schedule you agreed to. You can track your remaining balance, see upcoming due dates, and, if you'd like, make extra payments. Paying early can help you save on interest when applicable and is typically penalty-free. For the smoothest experience, download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. Turn on notifications and email reminders so you never miss a due date. Keep your payment method up to date and check your account if your order changes. Affirm will reflect updates like returns or cancellations when processed. That's it. You've added items to your cart, checked out with Affirm, picked a plan that fits, and set yourself up to stay on schedule. Shop thoughtfully, review the terms, and enjoy a more flexible way to pay on Amazon.